Hey everyone, it's Kyle with GreatVacs, and in today's how-to video I'll be showing you how to replace the latches on a GV 8-quart backpack vacuum cleaner. The only tools you'll need for this video is a pair of needle nose pliers and a good old flathead screwdriver. First thing first, go ahead and remove the top lid from the 8-quart. If you have the inner cloth bag, you can go ahead and remove that as well, or you can keep it in, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver and find the latch or latches you need to replace and kind of pull it out like so. And then you're going to get your flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it between this bracket and the latch itself. You're just going to kind of move the flathead screwdriver until this bracket is kind of pushed out of the way and the latch is able to be removed. Now to install a replacement latch, it's the same process, just backwards. So go ahead and get your new latch. You're going to get one side in on the bracket and kind of push the other side in. Like that, and then once you got the latch in, kind of hold it and get your needle nose pliers. And then with the needle nose pliers, you're just going to grab the bracket on both sides and just kind of push it together to make a secure fitment with the new latch installed. And just like that, you have a new replacement latch installed on your GV 8-quart backpack vacuum cleaner. Alright, that's going to be it for this how-to video. I hope it was helpful and you guys were able to get your latches on your 8-quart replaced. If you need any additional help, send us an email at service@greatvacs.com or visit our website. If you need replacement parts, bags, or filters, send us an email or check out our website and you can find them there. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.